Mafia. We're here with Matt and his 86 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. That is a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. And Matt's a little addicted to boost, likes to drift. He is sponsored by Auto Mafia Racing and UPR Products. So today we're going to be installing a Grimspeed manual boost controller because he's addicted to boost and needs more. Right? So, pretty simple. Matt, which end goes where? Do you remember?
Let's see here. I believe the compressor goes in the bottom.
So, line from the turbo into the bottom.
Boost in there.
Boost in goes to the bottom from the turbo.
Adjustment here, and then boost out there.
Boost out here. So that goes to your wastegate. That goes to the turbo. Make sense? Cool. Alright guys, so this line right here, that's the bottom. This is the line that comes out of the cold side of the turbo, okay? So that's the side that's going to be under boost. So we're just going to simply unhook it. Try not to break his old crusty lines, which we probably will anyways. Alright, see if we can get it off. Probably just going to break.
Yeah.
There you go. Not a problem, because we're going to use more hose in the deal anyways, so just gotta get it off there. Okay, so that's the cold side. So more line. It's gonna go from there like that into our bottom. That's the feed, like that. Then that line we took off goes to the wastegate. It's going to go on the side like that. Pinch it closed again. And we can grab some hose clamps for it so we don't lose all the boost and get a boost leak. But we'll just adjust it like so by turning this. So right now we're going to leave it set at 1.5, which if we do the math right, that should be about 18 psi. So now, we're going to go drive it and see how much boost she makes. So all he's doing right now is securing it up so it doesn't melt against the turbo. Alright, Matt, go ahead and fire her up. Can you build boost to just revving?
I think so.
We'll see. See if we can get a boost to go. No, we gotta drive it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go for a little spin and see if we can hit some boost. Slap that. Reach forward?
Yeah.
Holding it at 18?
Yeah.
Okay, held at 18. So, it held at 18, so we're going to turn it a little more and see if we can get a little more boost out of it.
So that was probably roughly 22 pounds there, and that was what, 2 clicks? Or like a click and a half
6.
or something? Okay, about 6 clicks, so about 1 line.
Let me try it. Alright, Matt. So how did that feel?
Much more than stock. Let's put it like that.
Yeah, felt much faster than stock, that's for sure. I'm definitely thinking it needs a front mount intercooler because right now it's not intercooled, and that intake pipe is hot.
Pretty toasty.
Very, very hot. You can spit on it and it sizzles. So that's not good for air intake temperatures. So front mount is definitely the next thing we're going to have to do to this, along with all the UPR suspension. But she should definitely, she's definitely going to make more power now.
Yeah.
So we might actually hit 100 horsepower.